Imagine this. You are planning a vacation. You won't just hop on the first flight without knowing your destination, right? You would plan your flights, accommodations, and activities to ensure everything goes smoothly. Similarly, planning is crucial when it comes to our finances. The first step in planning your finances is to create a budget. What exactly is a budget? A budget is a simple plan that allows you to keep track of your income and expenses. It helps you allocate your resources wisely towards savings, daily necessities, fixed expense like rent, EMI, electricity bills, etc., emergencies, and investments before splurging to avoid unnecessary debt. You can start by tracking your income and expenses to know where your money is being spent. Setting clear financial goals such as allocating 40% of your income towards savings and investments. Reallocating your expenses to align with these goals. By cutting down on unnecessary expenses and reallocating your budget, you can save and invest more efficiently, bringing you closer to your financial goals. When it comes to investing, choose options that align with your financial objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon. For various goals, whether short term, medium term, or long term, investments in mutual funds can offer a flexible and diversified approach to meet your investment needs. So, what are you waiting for? Start budgeting, get financially organized, and aim to achieve your financial goals. After all, budgeting is not just about limiting yourself, it's about making informed choices that align with your financial goals. It's a small step that can lead to big changes.